Okay, nakakuha na po tayo. Nakabili na tayo. So, ayan. Tapos tayo. Napunta na ulit tayo sa school. Okay, free. It's clear. Let's go. Let's go. Okay na po. Salamat. Parang uulan ba? Hindi naman. Okay, so hello, good morning. It's pleasant Monday morning here in the Philippines. So how many more days before Christmas? It's December 9. So if we're going to subtract it to 25, 9, that's 16 days before Christmas. So this is what we call the Vlogmas. Okay, Vlogmas, which means a vlog every day for the Christmas season. So of course, whenever it's Christmas, we need to be reminded of the real meaning of Christmas, which is sometimes we forget, and we look at it as just an ordinary event wherein we really need to be buying gifts, buying new clothes, new shoes, which defeat the purpose. The purpose is to remember that although it's not verified if it's Christmas, if it's December 25, but one day our Savior came and was born in the flesh. So that should be remembered for the Christmas season. So for today, we have 2 more weeks before our Christmas break. So the last day would be December 20. So we're very busy preparing for the gifts and presentations for the Christmas get-together or the year-end party. It's called the year-end party, so that it will be inclusive of all religion. Some religions are not celebrating Christmas, so we cannot call it a Christmas party or a Christmas get-together, but we call it year-end get-together event, so that everyone will be included. So that's what we call the inclusive education. So for the coming Christmas, what's your wish list? So my wish list is just simple. So think of the wish list as not the material things, but the intangible things which money cannot buy, which are sometimes free, and sometimes it's better if we begin to give that gift first ourselves. Let that begin in me. So let there be love, or let there be peace on earth, and let it begin with me. So if you have that wishes like that, like those, then we are on the right track. We're not being conformed. We're not being conformed on the materialism of Christmas or this event. Let us make it more meaningful, less focus on materialism, but more focus on the things which are free, which are more valuable, I think, in my opinion. So it's only in my opinion, I don't know with you, but I think I forgot to this one. Let's wear the seat belt. I forgot to wear it. So as I was saying, can be harmony in your family. Health is very important, as I am always advocating in my channel, Ed's Dance and Food, where we need to move our body, dance with the beat, do workout every day, and be mindful also with the food that we eat. So everything in moderation. Everything that is out of order or more than is accepted, more than in the acceptable amount. Just like we consume food that may be more than what we need, what our body needs, then it will become fat, it will become junk in our system. So it can be your wish list, can be a healthy body, or you will be choosing nutritious food from now on, healthy portions like that, or relationship, maybe building anew, renewing your relationship first and foremost with yourself. So feel good about yourself, forgive if you have some unsettled issue with yourself, you don't like yourself really, which is not good for us. No, we need to be the first one who love ourselves. Nobody will love us first but ourselves. So in the first place, learning to love yourself is the greatest love of all. The first thing that you need to do is to love ourselves. Acknowledge ourselves, appreciate ourselves. When we are improving, even just a little bit of improvement, celebrate it. Acknowledge yourself, affirm yourself, praise yourself. Okay, so for today, that's basically what I would like to share with you today. To think of our Christmas wish list in a manner of things that are intangible and not materialistic, which in my opinion is more valuable than everything else, than the things that we buy in the grocery store. So thank you very much for watching this vlog. It's a simple vlog, but simple things need to be simple things must be remembered by all of us. It's because of the simplicity of these things, precisely the reason why we are not aware of these things, because of the simplicity we take these things for granted. So have a pleasant day, everyone. Hope you're having a pleasant day. Be thankful, be content, and for your Christmas list, maybe you can comment down below, and please share of the things, or your thoughts, your insights on these things. God bless everyone, and may you have a meaningful day for today, and especially for this coming Christmas. Bye, and love you all. Bye. Hi, medyo gabi na po ako nauwi ngayon. 6 o'clock na. Ayan, 6 o'clock na po. Ganyan na tanawin dito pag 6 o'clock na. Medyo ma-traffic na po. 6:04, nandito na tayo sa may papuntang Quassia, sa may Quassia. Okay, papuntang sa Pampalay proper. Nakama-traffic kasi yung sa Pampalay proper. Okay. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Medyo ma-traffic na po to magmula nung magkaroon ng sa City Hall dyan. Aside from, meron siyang ano dyan po, crossroad. Yung isang papuntang Santa Maria at saka yung papunta ng San Jose. So meron yung crossroad dyan. Medyo tumatagal po dito banda. You better watch out, you better not cry, better not pout, I'm telling you why. Hindi na yata ko na. Ay, di na po. Mahirap na eh. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good. So be good for goodness sake. And you better watch out. Better not cry, better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. So ayan po, nakita nyo kung gaano kaliwanag yung yellow lights na yon. Grabe, sobrang liwanag yun, oh. Nakata-glare. Don't you give love on Christmas Day? Even a man who has everything would be so happy if you will bring him love on Christmas Day. Lapit na sa City Hall. Maliwanag na mamaya. C is for the candy cream around the Christmas tree. H is for the happiness with all the family. R is for the reindeer prancing by the window pane. I is for the ice cream on the cake as sweet as sugar cane. S is for the stockings on the chimney wall. T is for the toys beneath the Christmas stove. M is for the mistletoe where everyone is kissed. A is for the angel who make up the Christmas list. S is for the Santa who makes every kid his friends. Be good and hear the Christmas alphabet. Oh yeah, ma-traffic na siya. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let the Yuletide kiss. From now on, our trouble will be miles away. Ayun, no? Ganito ka-traffic siya. faithful friends who are dear to us, gather near to us once more. Through the years we always be together, if the fate allow. Oh, nako. And have yourself a merry little Christmas now. Through the years we always be together, if the fate allow. And have yourself a merry little Christmas now. So sa December 26, dapat may locator slip ako to get the PRC ID. Here we are at the golden day, happy golden day of yours. Faithful friends who are dear to us, gathered near to us once more. Through the years we always be together, if the fate allow. The stars will brightly shining. It is the night of our dear, so glaring. So glaring ang mga ilaw na sasakyan. Lonely the world, and seen an error pining, till he appeared and the song felt its worth. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees, oh hear the angel voices. So bright, oh night divine, oh night when Christ was born. Oh night divine, oh night divine. Lonely the world. Yan, malapit na. Para ma-share ko sa inyong itsura ng aming City Hall paggabi. Maganda siya, very bright and shining. ilaw tong nasa harapan ko.